It's just a case of battling weather forecasts and stuff like that. I mean, very nice bright sky over there, and it's raining. So I've got some of that bolts undone now. I'm looking now at putting a bit of loose oil on that bolts just to free them off, and that'll be that. I'll give you a look when I've done that. Right guys, this is the Hyundai Santa Fe drive shaft. As we were talking about, bolts here undone, both at 17 mils when that's on the end of them. That's 14s. Main hub nuts are 32. Now the whole lot it's almost ready all to come out now. It's just a case of popping that out. Unfortunately, here in Scotland, there's a lot of rain. Like,
it doesn't matter in Scotland or England or Wales.
You know,
rain.
Oh, you know.
Does that work? I get filmed, look. You're on the Jim the Crowd show. I don't know what's any use.
Did we tell them how to take drive shafts off cars?
Well, that should be right there, like that, you know. This is the BBC
Documentary on how to do cars. Don't get me fast, crabs. Come on, you bitch. It's almost out.
Yes, it's out. You go.
Hi folks, my name's John Nod, you know. Fucking parts of it over too good.
The can was a 3-man, you know. 3-man and Mackenzie back.
Ruffle, I farted.
3-man and Mackenzie. I think we should go into enterprises, you know.
He was awesome when I said I farted.
Yeah, you got a penknife.
No.
You know, we're not like the carry penknives in Scotland, guys. You can't get fitter, they're not quite fit.
Carry penknives anywhere in Britain anyway.
Yeah?
You got 10 years.
Comes from a long way. I'll let you hold it and it's nice and clean. Come on, you quarter pin. The wee crack beside it, just rip off the flash.
Come off, is it?
What I do with that is this.
They're not like a flat screwdriver or something.
And car there will be then.
No bogus calling a day, you know.
Yeah, you never know. Mr. Bogus is floating about somewhere, I'm sure.
Long nose pliers.
Long nose pliers might do it, though. Rip that off. I just want a fog, mate.
I want a fucking beer.
I know, I'm fucking dreaming. You see this fucking movement in the shaft? What?
What's the same, Bjorn?
probably different.
Oh, don't say that. Here, look. That's how big that is, look. The berries in that are gone now.
Go and get our flats.
I'll go and get the snips.
Yeah, we're here all day.
I'll get the metal snips.
We're here for a fortnight doing this.
Hey folks, look, where's my Vectra?
Probably get it off and just
Yeah. Heard one of
pliers.
metal snips.
This is sorting right.
In the Western Isles.
I think I would just pull off, you know. So this is for the outside, isn't it?
No, inside. That's inside. ABS rigs and all that.
Oh yeah.
Well, you tie me out like
Pause a bit for
50%.
100%, fuck all, it's so busted.
50%.
So I know you're 50% or something. Maybe I didn't bother for some fucking sober.
I'm saying that. I'm recording that. Beast man. Put that aside that other shaft just to make sure before we go and try and stick a shaft in that doesn't have it. Although it did say that it did.
It looks the same, innit?
It does look the same. Just tidy that up a bit. Just tidy that up.